Ayun. Ay! Wait. Hello guys, and we are making the finisher of Kane and Big Show, the choke slam. It is the front choke slam and the reverse choke slam. We will do that. Just subscribe and watch, enjoy. And we are going to make it. And this is called the reverse choke slam, like this. No. Like this. That's the reverse. We will repeat it. Repeat. That's reverse choke slam. And the front choke slam by Kane, this. You will take him up and that's it. Take him up and get it down. And repeat. Repeat. We will repeat. This, take him up and down. So you know how to make the choke slam finisher by Big Show and Kane. So subscribe our videos. Please request for more videos of WWE.